Hello Bond Bakers, and welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, welcome. I share lots of delicious home-style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today I'm going to share with you 5 quick and easy steps to make the perfect strawberry baked oatmeal. This recipe is also vegan as well. So let's get to it. As I said, we're going to make strawberry baked oatmeal today. Normally you don't bake oatmeal, or it's a bit more unusual to do so, and it's really cold here up in the mountains, and I wanted to do something a little bit different and give that tummy a big warm hug. So today we're going to make this beautiful baked oatmeal, and I can't wait to share this recipe with you. Step number 1, prepare all of your ingredients. So let me show you what you are going to need. Here I have a banana, and these older bananas are perfect for oatmeal or using in baked goods because they make it really nice and sweet. Then I have some oats, I have some maple syrup, over here is baking powder, some protein powder, chia seeds. Then we have some fresh strawberries, some peanut butter, and you can use any nut butter that you like, and then some soy. That's soy milk. Step number 2. We are going to add everything into our blender except for the fresh strawberries. So let's go ahead and do that now. In goes our banana. Pretty easy step so far, right? So let's continue to blend this up, and it won't need long. Once I can get my blender lid on, there we go. Just gonna give it a light pulse for about 30 seconds, on and off. Step number 3 is to prepare for baking. So we're going to get a little dish here that's oven proof. I'm just going to lightly coat that with some vegetable oil, pour in our mixture, and then we can top it with the fresh strawberries. Oh, yum, smells so good. The protein powder I used as well was a salted caramel one, so it's going to give it some nice flavor. So into the bowl we go. Get it all out. I made a bit of a mess, but I wouldn't be a baker if I didn't, would I? Okay, time to sprinkle with strawberries. Step number 4, it's time to bake. So this is going into the oven for about half an hour on a moderate temperature. So about 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we wait again. So it's time to clean up, do your dishes, come back, we'll do a reading, and then it should be time to eat. It's time to do our positive quote or mantra for the day, and as you know, I love to do this because they often are a good reminder and help put things into perspective for us. This quote I found and I really like it. It is, "True belonging doesn't require you to change who you are, it requires you to be who you are." And that is a quote by Brené Brown, and a friendly reminder to show up as yourself every day. So let's get back to baking. Step number 5, get your beautiful strawberry baked oatmeal, it's a bit of a tongue twister, out of the oven and prepare it for eating. Doesn't she look beautiful? Whoop, nearly fell out of the bowl. All right, there we go. Looks delicious. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'll just move it up for you. Check it out. Yum. Now I've just put a little bit of Koyo here as well to serve it with. And if you have a real sweet tooth, you can add a bit more maple just by drizzling it on top. But it's absolutely beautiful as it is, or with some Koyo as well. It's beautiful and warm. I can't wait to eat it. I'm gonna grab myself a little bit now, grab a little bit of Koyo and a little bit of the oatmeal. See the steam coming off? Beautiful. Yum, it's so delicious. It's very wholesome tasting. You get that beautiful strawberry coming through, and the rest of it is just absolutely delicious. You get that little pop of peanut butter and then the protein powder, all the flavors, and it's absolutely beautiful together. Perfect for a big warm hug for your stomach. The rain has just started pouring down here, so it's perfect time to curl up on the couch with my strawberry baked oatmeal. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I really hope that you like this recipe, and if you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell because I have a new video coming out every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.